name is Calais. We are going to do 3 cute buns. Let's get started.
So to start, I've put her hair in these 3 ponytails, and this is the basis for all 3 hairstyles that we're going to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this center ponytail and split it into 3 sections. And I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way down. And now that I'm down to the bottom, I'm just going to fasten it off with an elastic. And then I'll pull the braid wide. Now that I've got this braid pulled, I'm just going to repeat this on the other 2 ponytails. Now that I've finished all 3 braids, I'm just going to start with the middle one and I'm just going to wrap it around into a bun. And then I'll just fasten it off with some bobby pins. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing with the other 2 braids, wrapping them close enough to the first bun to make it look like it's just one large bun. And this is our braided buns. Okay, for this messy bun hairstyle, I made our elastics a little bit looser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to pull it through one more time. But on that last pull through, I'm just going to leave kind of a big loop and not too much of a tail. So I'm going to do that on all 3. Okay, and then after I've got all 3 loops, I'm going to split them in half. And then I'm just going to kind of twist them, and I'm trying to make a circle of sorts. You just kind of have to hold it with one hand, and then I'm going to incorporate this tail in and just kind of wrap it up around. And it is messy, so it's just really however you can get it to look. So I'm going to hold that with my fingers while I grab some bobby pins. Then I'm just going to pin these in place. Okay, and as I do the next 2, I'm just going to try and add to the center bun. So split it in half, just kind of make it a big circle. Okay, and my last one. Okay, and that is our messy bun hairstyle. For the final hairstyle, I'm just going to twist braid each ponytail. For that, I'm going to twist both sections in the same direction and then twist it in the opposite direction. Now I'm just going to go through and pull these twist braids a little bit on all 3 of the braids. Now I'm going to start with the center braid and I'm going to wrap it around into a bun. With these outer 2 braids, I'm just going to wrap it around the original bun to make this look like a larger bun. And now I'm just going to do the same thing with this last piece of hair. Oh my gosh, that is freaking beautiful.
And this is our twist braid bun.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here, watch these videos. See you later.